Welcome to the Brand Icon of the Year Awards 2021. This program showcases entrepreneurs and professionals from the MSME sector for their contributions to the Indian economy and business ecosystem. Plugin PR presents Brand Icon of the Year Award to Weber, partner of Ryusha Life Sciences.
Welcome to the Brand Icon of the Year show, Vaibhav.
Hello, thank you very much.
Vaibhav, tell me about your company. You are already you're a serial entrepreneur. और आपका नया जो initiative है, which is into health sciences. Do you want to talk about it?
Yes. Basically, I'm an advertiser. Last 16 years, I'm into advertising space. And last year, because of the pandemic, there are a lot of things happening in our life, in the entire scenario of the India. So we have thought about why don't we start a new company which will provide the natural organic beauty products. So we have come up with the company called Ryusha Life Sciences. It's a natural organic product company, and this is our startup.
What kind of products does your company manufacture or produce in the organic range?
So we have come up with the first product that's a Ryusha onion hair oil. So this is the product, and soon we are coming up with the shampoo, conditioner, hair serum, and sunscreen.
I have seen quite a few products, especially in the hair segment, and one of the things that you see oil with onions. What's the relation to oil and onions? Do you want to talk about that?
See, there is a story, okay, behind this entire startup. Okay, my mother has a huge hair fall, कुछ सालों से है. तो every time she used to say, I mean, you know, पता नहीं बाल क्यों इतने झड़ रहे हैं, पता नहीं बाल क्यों इतने. You can see me, I'm also a bald person. जब मम्मी ने मुझे कहा कि लास्ट पैंडमिक हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि क्या प्रोडक्ट लेके आ सकते हो, तो वी हैव रिसर्च लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक वी हैव रिसर्च डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सेगमेंट, बट आई रियली थॉट कि वी हैव कम अप विद द beauty products, the natural organic beauty products. So that's
So what I wanted to know is skin और hair oil और hair के साथ में क्या संबंध है, क्या relationship है? How does it help in regrowth or growth?
so अनियन ऑयल जो है ना, इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी औषधि इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे ये है कि ये बेसिकली ये प्री मैच्योर हेयर ग्रेइंग को रुकाता है. ये आपका हेयर फॉल होने से बचाता है. आई मीन इट्स अ नेचुरल रेमेडी विच इज़ मोर, आई मीन जिसका रिजल्ट सबसे ज़्यादा है. अनियन इज़ वन ऑफ द नेचुरल, इट हैज़ अ सल्फर इन इट, सो ये आपका डैंड्रफ भी रोकता है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स.
One of the things that no, rather, what you see today is that there is a lot of awareness and demand for beauty and hair products. You can there are I think the Indian market is now full of products which are in the same range.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
are you different? I mean, what do you do other than apart from providing this product? What do you do the end-to-end manufacturing of this?
No, we don't have a manufacturing unit. We are third party manufacturing thing. We get it from our manufacturer.
You're getting it ready in your brand name, basically.
We are just marketing. Since we are advertising agency, we have already worked on a lot of brands. I mean, I cannot take the names, but we have worked on a lot of brands. One of the top brand is also there, who is our competitor right now. But we have worked on their products. So we were very uh, confident about these natural organic products.
What advantage is your experience of being in the advertising space? How are you using that to your new business?
आई टेल यू द स्टोरी. अगर आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट आज की डेट में ले ले, every product is manufactured by somewhere other. Okay, all the companies in the market, they are the marketers. They are just selling the product. So this is what the main learning, like अगर हम किसी ब्रांड को बना सकते हैं तो हम हमारा ब्रांड भी बना सकते हैं. So behind this Ryusha Life Sciences, there is a story, sir. I just want to tell you the story. It's a very emotional story. So last year, as the pandemic starts, we four people are the partner in this company. me, my mother, my both the sisters. I have two siblings. So last year when the pandemic occurs, like both my sister lost their jobs, and that was a time when we all are thinking like I वो लोग बहुत they are going through the lot of tension, depression. So मैंने उनको कहा कि आप why don't you start with something your own, you know कहीं जाने से अच्छा तो my mother is very innocent. She comes up, she said कि okay, I'll give you something. You just keep it at this thing and you start your business. And that was very emotional thing for me. So then I said to my sister, ki, see, I have a great experience in this segment. So let's go ahead. We'll start our own company. We don't have a funding. Okay, so everybody has a funding. We don't have a funding. So basically, my company is a product of this pandemic, but thankfully we are doing very good. Thankfully we are doing very good. Since we are advertising, we know how to market it, we know how to promote it. So these are the main advantages. That's why we are very confident about our product.
So, what kind of sales are you able to generate since you last started?
So we had a huge fight with Amazon. So our product is on Amazon and they have stopped selling our product, but they are selling the other brands. So we had a fight with them, but fortunately we have a very pretty much very decent sale in last 3 months.
How are you selling? Concentrating only on? I know through Amazon you'll be able to sell
No,
across.
we are on Distacart. We are on Distacart. We can sell our product in US, UK, Dubai, Australia, Netherlands. We are on Distacart. We are on Flipkart. We are on Amazon. Plus, we have our own e-store.
And do you have any happy customers who called you up and said,
Yeah. A lot of people. Lot of people. Yeah. Lot of people, they call me. I mean, basically, initially I started with giving my products to a lot of people. I mean, try it. I mean, that is how you can reach to the people. I mean, just say, see, we don't have huge money to invest in, but we have our product. Our investment is our product. Our investment is our, so that is how we started. I mean, that is how we approach this to a lot of people. But thankfully now they are ordering. See, I need 4 bottles. I need 3 bottles. I need it for my bhai. I need it for my sister, my mother. That is how we started. So we are in just nascent phase. I mean, this just a 3 months, 2 months, 3 months. But we got a good review.
as somebody who comes as a marketing professional, who spent sizable amount of time in marketing, what are those tips you want to give to the entrepreneur who would be looking at this show, who's watching this show?
So basically, कोई भी चीज़ बेचने के लिए या कोई किसी भी चीज़ को ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाए, टारगेट ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाने के लिए, you just have to study the market first. Okay, then you just have to mark. हम बहुत बार there are brands, there are products who has a huge investment, huge marketing spend. In there's a competitor of our product. He puts just 30 lakhs on in 1 month on the digital spend. सो कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, थोड़ा अगर आपने स्मार्टली मूव किया ना, तो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट है ना, बेहतरीन रिव्यू पे चलता है। तो सबसे बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट आपकी जो होनी चाहिए ना, जो लोगों का प्यार और आशीर्वाद। अगर लोगों ने आपकी चीज़ को एप्रिशिएट किया ना, फिर वो यूरेनियम रिएक्शन है, वो ऑटोमेटिक बढ़ते जाएगा। यूरेनियम रिएक्शन है, आप लोगों तक चीज़ पहुंचा सकते हो, आप लोगों तक आप थ्रू थ्रू डिजिटल मार्केट, थ्रू कन्वेंशनल मार्केट, आप लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हो। बट सबसे सबसे ज्यादा आज की डेट में, टुडे द एज ऑफ रिव्यू, आई मीन एवरीबडी बाय प्रोडक्ट by just reading a review. Even on Amazon, anyone who goes on Amazon, they first see कि इसका review क्या है. So the right now your main investment is ultimately on your product, उसका quality, and it has to be like if you'll get the good words from people, then you nobody can stop you. It's a process, sir. Basically, if you have a huge investment, you will reach that बोलते हैं ना, वो जल्दी पहुंच जाओगे. बट अगर आपके पास इन्वेस्टमेंट कम है और आपके पास बहुत अच्छा ये है तो कछुआ चलेगा लेकिन रेस जीतेगा.
Plugin PR presents Virtual Brand Icon for the Year 2021 Awards to Weber Partner of Ryusha Life Sciences.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy. So, I mean, as जैसे आपने पूछा, this is my third company. The other company, Rejoice Film, we just recently released our one web series on MX Player, and I have directed and I have produced it. So, when I was talking to the organizer, I said कि यार boss अभी पता नहीं. I mean, I'm coming it with the बोलते हैं ना कि मिडिल क्लास बंदा मेहनत से आगे जाता है तो हर चीज छोटा से छोटे अप्रिसिएशन भी आपके लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. वेरी हैप्पी. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर नॉट फॉर मी. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर माय सिस्टर्स आल्सो, माय मदर आल्सो, यू नो.
You said your mother was the reason who said, take this from me and start your business. What is that? वो क्या चीज था जिसने आपकी मदर को ड्राइव किया ये कहने के लिए कि जाओ प्लीज स्टार्ट द बिजनेस, आई विल गिव यू द मनी रिक्वायर्ड.
Both my sisters are very highly qualified, okay, and they have on the very उनके जॉब्स बहुत अच्छे थे. एंड जैसे पैंडेमिक आया तो पैंडेमिक ने बहुत लोगों को हिलाया. आई मीन मम्मी को लगा कि कि होता है सर कि हमारे मिडिल क्लास में ना एजुकेशन ही हमारा धन है. एक्चुअली आई एम राइट. मिडिल क्लास में एजुकेशन ही हमारा धन है या हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है.
करेक्ट.
और जब आफ्टर दिस इसके बाद भी जिस तरह से पैंडेमिक में ये गया तो मेरी मम्मी को बहुत बुरा लगा. आई मीन इवन मी as a producer or as a advertiser, we were going through a very hard patch. We have already completed the work. We were waiting for the money. And that time, अब मेरी माँ बहुत सादी है, वो बहुत सिंपल है, उससे ना वो रहा नहीं गया. तो बोलते हैं ना उससे वो नेचुरली हुआ वो चीज, बट वो मेरे दिल को इतना लगा ना तो मैंने मेरे मम्मी को बोला, मम्मा ये मत कर, इतने बुरे दिन नहीं है.
So how much money she was ready to? Wow, how much money?
No, she was giving me one of her ornament. I mean,
As an ornament. Fine,
uh,
that's amazing actually.
yeah,
देखिए, एक माँ के लिए अपने बच्चे को देखना इस सिचुएशन में, मतलब शी नो पेरेंट वांट्स इट, आप भी
yeah,
पेरेंट हो. एंड प्लस द रियलिटी इज कि एक एज में आने के बाद में हर आदमी को लगता है कि उसको अपना सिक्योरिटी पहले रखना है. एंड
हाँ,
उसमें अगर एक माँ उठा के अपना ऑर्नामेंट दे रही है आपको कि भाई मेरा गहना लो और इसको शुरू करो, दैट्स अ बिग
हाँ.
स्टेटमेंट, इजंट इट?
Yeah. So we are Maharashtrian, basically. We are Maharashtrian. और महाराष्ट्रियन में कैसा होता है कि बेसिकली इनहेरेंट इतना नहीं रहता है. जो नॉर्थ बेल्ट में ना लोगों के पास बहुत कुछ रहता है, तो हमारे पास क्या वो मम्मी को पता नहीं उसको कहाँ से क्या आ गया. वी वर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग कि मैं सिस्टर और आस्किंग कि कुछ करते हैं, कुछ करना है, जॉब नहीं हो रहा है अलग अलग जगह. एंड शी जस्ट कम अप विद दर डब्बा. She has one dabba, all her ornaments, and then she come up with, and she had tears in her eyes. She said कि आप लोग अपने आप को हिम्मत मत हारना, ये लो आप, you start something with it. And I said यार मम्मा ये what is this? And that was really emotional. And I even हम तीनों I am the elder one. मेरे बाद मेरी एक सिस्टर है, वंदिता आगास्कर नाम है उनका. She is MPhil, she is MEd. She was a professor with one of the college. The other sister was with, she's a banker. She was with Bank of America for almost 10 or 12 years or somewhere. And she was on a higher post. She was leading the Mumbai district. They both are married.
एंड सो नाउ अब जब आपका बिजनेस तकरीबन सेट हो गया है, तो व्हाट इज द व्हाट डज द मदर से, और क्या किस तरह से आपके आपकी सिस्टर्स रिएक्ट करती हैं? डू दे वांट टू गो बैक टू जॉब्स और दे आर नाउ लाइक लेट्स बिल्ड दिस बिजनेस, किस तरह से?
या एक्चुअली अभी क्या हुआ है, जब हमने अभी अच्छा स्टडी थोड़ा पकड़ा है. बिकॉज कोई भी बिजनेस शुरू करना, इट्स नॉट अ गए और चालू किया. इट्स नॉट अ, सो कम से कम 6-7 महीने गए हमारे पूरा करने के लिए. कैसे करेंगे, क्या प्रोडक्ट करेंगे. वी हैव टेस्टेड लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. हमने बहुत सारे लोगों से सैंपल्स मंगवाए थे. और now fortunately they got new opportunities in their life. I mean, they got, I mean, definitely, I mean, yeah, they got the opportunities, but अभी हम तीनों का ऐसा होता है कि we have our own thing कि every evening we sit and कैसे करते हैं, क्या करना है,
So
what do
you
you,
said they got jobs, but they
yeah,
still continue to doing. So
yeah,
three of
yeah,
them
yeah, yeah,
building the
yeah,
business.
yeah.
And what does the mother say? Mother का क्या reaction होता है?
Are she's very happy. She's very happy, and you know, she is the first person who applied that oil, and I know मेरे बाल रुक गए. She's very happy. She's very happy.
Is she around here somewhere with you?
Yeah, no, she's sleeping
अच्छा,
actually.
okay.
Afternoon.
And I was asking कि आपका अभी अभी जो आपका मंथ ऑन मंथ सेल अभी मतलब इट्स अबाउट 50,000 सो व्हिच इज ओके बट व्हाट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड क्या प्रोजेक्शन लग रहा है आपको कितना मतलब कहाँ
So,
तक
so basically हमारा जो पूरा प्लान है ना, because of this pandemic situation, Maharashtra is going through really bad thing. You know, our product is ready, our other products are ready, but we haven't got the delivery. So we are going to expand it. We already have serum हमारा होके ready है. Actually, because of the कोर्ट्स चालू नहीं है और वो सब, तो एफडीए में थोड़ा इशू आ रहा था, but I mean other products are there. So we are going to expand it in a huge way. In skincare range also, we are coming with the uh, sunscreen lotion, tanning lotion, face wash.
Thank you very much for joining Vaibhav and we hope to see you again in some of our shows and wishing you all the best. Please pay my special regards to your mom for encouraging her children to become entrepreneurs. I mean her daughters to become entrepreneurs. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.